Does futuristic tech like from episodes of Black Mirror, like White Christmas, or the museum episodes scare you even a little bit? Of course. Jeez, man, we talk about this all the time here in the show, or even before we start filming often. It's not all good with tech. Well, goes both ways. Strikes both ways. Flies both ways. Slices both ways. You get something, you give something. This is a common theme here. So it's almost like a direct correlation with however good it is however bad it can be. So as the reliance increases, so does the potential darkness. Black Mirror. What a show. I mean,
it's great.
The type of the social commentary on what's going on. Episode 1, very first episode. It's a lot. It's a lot to take in. I get scared. Absolutely, I get scared. Man, I don't even need to watch Black Mirror to get scared. I just look around in public, I was in the waiting room the other day. Everyone was locked in, Will. I'm telling you. Everyone was locked in. You know what I'm saying. And you look around because you put your head up. You're like, you put your head up for a minute and you feel that, you feel it in the room. Everybody's locked in. And some woman, Will, she had a baby. You know what I mean? In the car seat. And she's like this, locked in. Let me tell you something, Will. She's locked in like this. And she has the car seat going. And the baby is crying. And she's moving the baby like this without looking at the baby. And I'm looking at the baby who is trying to make eye contact with the mother. The baby's just like, And the mother's just, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's the sound.
So
I get it.
Listen, you got the images. It's a lot.
It's
the
scary,
addiction
man.
is real. I believe in humanity, though, Will. I'm not gonna go to the darkness. You got to put it down. You have the answers. We all do. Use it for you. Don't let it use you. Use it for you. Know the difference. Catch that vibe. Catch that wave where it's no longer functional, where it's no longer delivering to you, but instead sucking you dry. Know the difference. Put it down. Discipline. That's how you win. Okay, next up.